Hello and welcome to my vlog. If you're new here, I'm Dr. Shruti, totally obsessed with fashion and passionate about sharing memories, moments that blend style and celebration. Today's episode is truly special. It's our departmental aarti at UG Hostel, and I can't wait to bring you right into all the fun and festivity. From the moment we stepped into decorated room, the excitement was palpable. Everyone was dressed in their most vibrant and traditional outfits, and the atmosphere sparkled with laughter and music. We came together as a family, performing aarti, sharing smiles, and enjoying traditions to the fullest. Fashion, colors, and collection filled every corner of the hostel. Shimmering saris, bright kurtas, and fabulous accessories that turned the whole celebration into a festival of style. So, let's relive all those joyful moments from Aarti to the behind the scenes funs and celebrate our beautiful community. Trust me, you're going to love it. So, stay with me for this unforgettable departmental Aarti at UG Hostel. So, let's dive in. This was my look for the day, a beautiful sari that belongs to my mom. I've worn it before and each time it feels special, but today was just perfect for the occasion. Poonam, who is an absolute sweetheart, styled my hair so elegantly that it truly completed the look. I felt completely ready to step into the day's celebration. Together we joined all the faculty members and as a group we stepped out towards the hostel. On the way, we made a quick stop at Tiwari Sweets, famous for the delightful collection of traditional Indian sweets. Picking out sweets for the celebration made the day feel even more festive and warm. And of course, we couldn't resist a little impromptu photo shoot, posing with our saris with big smiles and contagious laughter. The colors and happiness of the moment made the pictures truly sparkle. Moments like this, delicious treats and spontaneous fun are what makes every celebration unforgettable. Walking together with the faculty and friends towards the hostel felt like the perfect start to the rest of the day's festivities. It's a mix of tradition, friendship and simple joy. Stay tuned as we dive into all the fun, laughter and heartfelt moments waiting inside. At the venue, beautiful rangoli was drawn, showcasing vibrant colors and intricate traditional patterns that truly brightened the entire space. The murti was absolutely stunning, decorated meticulously with flowers and ornaments, radiating grace and spirituality.
नाही राहू देते त्याच्यावरच चालू पहिलं मला दिवाळी जन्म मरणाचे वारी भारी पडलो काल संजीवनी वासून कोण पुरला शांती ज्योती विक्रम वादे सुरसुळा जय देव जय उदरण कंठनिया ऐसा शंकने प्राशरण केले नीलकंठन मनमोहन मुनिस्वकारी एका जननी श्री दत्त जय देव जय मित्रावरी देवाय नमः त्वमेव
After the aarti, prasad was lovingly distributed to everyone present. This was truly the perfect ending to a meaningful departmental aarti celebration.
गणपती बाप्पा मंगल मूर्ती.
After the aarti and prasad, we couldn't resist starting a little photo shoot. After all, it had to happen because I was wearing a beautiful sari. Moments like this are perfect for capturing the elegance and joy of the day, with vibrant colors and happy smiles all around. We clicked candid shots and posed together, celebrating friendship, tradition, and style. It was light-hearted, fun break that added an extra sparkle to the festivities, making memories that will last long after the day ends. After a fun photo shoot, we headed back to our department, feeling happy and energized from the celebration so far. On the way, we came across another beautifully decorated Ganpati idol that caught everyone's attention. The magnificence of Ganpati, adorned with vibrant colors and lights, was truly breathtaking. It added a special festive charm to our journey, reminding us of the deep cultural roots and the joy this season brings us to everyone. After spending some time at department, we headed towards the RMO building's Ganpati. Even though it started raining heavily, our excitement and devotion kept us going. We really wanted to visit and pay our respects. The rain added a magical, serene vibe to the whole experience. Gentle sound of raindrops mixing with festive chants. It was a beautiful reminder that no weather can dampen the spirit of celebration and togetherness on special days like this. The place was beautifully decorated with vibrant flowers, warm glowing diyas, creating a serene and peaceful ambience. Everything felt calm and sacred, as if the entire space was wrapped in tranquility and devotion. Thoughtful decorations and soft lighting brought a soothing energy, making it a perfect sanctuary for reflection and prayer. I really loved the vibe at Ganpati setup. The way colors blended so beautifully together was mesmerizing. The decoration was thoughtfully done with flowers, vibrant drapes, and glowing diyas that perfectly complemented the festive spirit. The murti itself was absolutely stunning, radiating serenity and grace. Every element from the color combo to the intricate adornments came together harmoniously, creating a sacred and joyful atmosphere that truly touched my heart. Despite the downpour, the joy and energy from the celebrations kept us going strong. As the day came to an end, I took off all my jewelry. It wasn't practical to travel with everything on after such a long and vibrant day. It felt good to unwind and let the festive sparkles settle down. Truly, this was a day to remember, filled with joy, laughter, and unforgettable memories. So yeah, that was it for today's vlog. Such a fun and memorable day spent with wonderful faculty and friends. I hope you enjoyed coming along on this special journey with me. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit subscribe and stay tuned for more such content filled with fashion, celebration and good vibes. Until next time, stay happy and stylish. Bye.